G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. If you're looking for that perfect dessert that's easy to make, that's paleo, gluten-free and keto, then I guarantee you have to try this recipe. Even if you don't want it for those particular reasons, I guarantee you'll love it. So join me today as I make my version of a chia seed pudding. So I'm going to start this off with one of my favorite ingredients, and that's chia seeds. Now as you can see, I like to buy these in bulk because I really do go through a lot. It's one of those semi-superfoods, super seeds, that really are fantastic in so many recipes. Okay, so into a cup or a dessert dish of your choice, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So next I'm going to add some almond milk. Now I'm going for the unsweetened version because I don't want any added sugar. Now you can also use soy milk, rice milk, it's completely up to you. You can even use normal milk, but I'm trying to keep it with that whole paleo, vegan type friendly recipe, but also healthy at the same time. So to my chia seeds, I'm just going to add 1 cup of our almond milk. Now I'd like to add a little bit of vanilla taste to it, so I'm just going to add just a little bit of vanilla extract. You only need a small amount. And lastly, I'm going to add a pinch of stevia. Now you can use powdered stevia or liquid stevia. You only really need a very small amount because it's pretty strong, but it's just one of those all natural sweeteners that are just fantastic. It's better than the artificial ones. So just a little pinch. It's like you're pinching a bit of salt on, but it's a lovely sweet stevia. And simply give it a good stir. Just make sure all those chia seeds are within the milk, our almond milk. So this is one of these recipes where you want to prepare the night before or in the morning for the afternoon. It's up to you. Depends on when you're going to have it. I'm going to have this in the morning for breakfast, or as part of breakfast I should say. So it takes about 4 hours, and what that's going to do is those chia seeds are just going to absorb all that almond milk. It's just going to thicken up until it comes up to a nice thick pudding type consistency. So we're just going to keep this in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. So I've taken our chia seed pudding out of the fridge and it's been there overnight, and you can see how nice and thick it has turned out. Those chia seeds have really soaked up all that lovely almond milk, so it's given us a lovely thick custard textured pudding. And the chia seeds really do soften up a lot once they've soaked in all that lovely liquid. So you're not going to have that hard seedy bite, but with the taste of the almond milk, with a bit of stevia and that lovely vanilla extract, when you have one of these really healthy chia seed puddings, you'll know it tastes simply delish.